was incredible, fantastic video. All the cameras were working. They all should have got him, but just the angle that it came in, for some reason or another, only one of those cameras triggered. So, you know, it's not unusual that you can walk up to a camera, and especially in the snow, you'll see tracks and you get all excited. I can't wait to see what's on here. I see the tracks, and then you look at it and there's nothing there. What happened? Trail cameras are funny that way, and I don't know. I don't know what happens to them.